room is vacant. We are really small. How long will you be staying?
Just a day or two. You see, I'm a reporter for a major national magazine, and we're doing an article on small towns and their mayors, including your Mayor Bob.
If you're doing an article on Mayor Bob, you must be from that Mad magazine. Tell me, how is Alfred?
I wouldn't know, but you're not far off. You see, our magazine features short, condensed articles from unusual, strange people and places called Readers Indigestion.
Sounds like you came to the right place.
So, how small is Malton?
163. Always a steady population.
Steady population.
Yep. Seems like every time some girl has a baby, some fella leaves town.
So, are all the businesses on this block?
Yeah, we got all the essentials. Bank, liquor store, hotel, and city hall. Where? I'll get your bag taken to your room. Flash! 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 Take her back to room number 1.
Oh, the bridal suite. I'll go get a cart.
Hey, you might like to see our small tin city council in action. They're meeting right now down at the city hall. Where? Come on. Excuse me, folks. This here reporter is doing an article for her magazine about small towns. Okay if she sits in on your meeting?
Wilbur, honey, you're the parliamentarian. What do you say?
According to the Freedom of Information Act, no member of the press can be denied admittance to an open meeting of any legislative body. So yes, friend, you are welcome to participate. Feel free to ask for clarification of any of the topics discussed.
Thank you.
All right. Then let's take a vote. All those in favor of adding the money from the parking meter to the fund to help the unwed mothers of Smalton, say aye. None opposed. The motion is carried.
Now, next topic. What are we going to do about Mayor Bob? He's got to go.
He's wacky.
He's always going around town looking at birds with his binoculars. He's becoming a bird brainer.
He's wacky.
He's a good guy. Although, I do admit, it's not a good look for the mayor to be running an X-rated movie business.
one of his part-time jobs. He changed a lot after his wife passed on.
He married his own sister.
Did you say he married his own sister?
No. Another of his part-time jobs is justice of the peace. He presided over his sister's wedding.
He did marry his cousin, though. He took it real hard when she passed. You know, being his cousin and all.
Dr. Watson says that depression can be life-changing after the loss of a loved one.
Is Dr. Watson the local psychiatrist? Oh, no. He's the vet. He's right, though. I really struggled. Old Blue died. Was Old Blue your dog? No, my goldfish. So when did Mayor Bob's cousin, wife die?
No. She didn't die. She just passed on down in Peoria. Traveling vacuum cleaner salesman. She even took the vacuum cleaner with her.
And Mayor Bob holding the bag.
That's why she's wacky.
Hey everyone, how you doing? Lloyd, I got that movie you ordered. Wanda does Westchester. 1850 plus tax.
Mayor Bob,
Oh, no. Someone spotted a velvet-fronted nuthatch down by the river. And you know what they say? You can't catch the early bird if you're the late worm. What?
The thing is, Bob never wanted to be mayor anyway. When they counted the votes and let him know that he won, Bob wanted a recount.
Yeah, Floyd. Yes, you're like 12. But Floyd, if we get a recall on Mayor Bob, who's going to replace him? Do you want the job?
Oh, no. I don't want no part of no deep state politics. What about Phyllis? What do you think, Phyllis?
I can't run for office. I got a police record.
How do you have a police record? What did you ever do?
One Halloween, I tipped over the sheriff's outhouse. You arrested for that? Yeah. I didn't know the sheriff's wife was in there at the time. What about Ralph here? He's wacky.
He's your husband.
I know. He's wacky.
I just don't know how we can get rid of Bob unless we find someone to replace him who is both willing and qualified.
Over in Wickerton, they elected a cat to be mayor. I understand he can play Yankee Doodle on the piano with his paws. Now there's some real talent.
Folks, this meeting is going nowhere. I say we table any discussion about Mayor Bob until we find someone qualified and willing to be mayor of Smallton. Besides, the ice cream social is about to start over at the church, and I've got to take my turn cranking the ice cream. Meeting dismissed. Oh, Miss Reporter, I sure hope you got some insight into small town politics.
Oh yes, I've got lots of notes. Looks like Smallton has its own problems, like the great big cities. Except for terrorism, riots, homicides.
Well, not much going on in small town tonight, or really any night, but why not join us at the ice cream social? Ethel's niece is going to be playing Proud Mary with the spoon. And at 9 o'clock, bingo!
Bingo!
I don't know if I can handle so much excitement in one night, but you'll have fun socializing and have an ice cream sundae for me.
I sure will. Come on.
Nice meeting you all. Hi, Harry, it's me. Still in Smallton. I'll be checking out of here tomorrow, though. I'll finish the article tonight, and I'll email to you by morning. There might be a story in nearby town of Bickerton. The mayor, he's Yankee Doodle. I'm gonna love it. See you Monday. Damn. One part mayor in this town, and I get tickled